is hazy. Keep running to the lights inside my head. I find myself a drink, and now it seems I'm 6 or 7 deep. Good, I'm gonna feel this in the morning. I don't care right now. I'm gonna keep this party going. Good, I'm gonna feel this in the morning. But I don't care right now. I'm gonna keep this party going. So light me up. I'm gonna keep this party going. So light me up. So light me up. So light me up.
Totoo nga yung kasabihan, kung ano yung gusto mo, yung opposite ang ibibigay sa'yo. Lahat na naging boyfriend mo, mestizo. Pero nauwi ka sa tall, dark, and humorous.
What fortune lies beyond the stars. Those thousand hearts to rise to. I got so hard to fall so far, but I found heaven as love swept low. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. Upward falling, spirit soaring.
Congratulations, pare.
The sky.
This is the best thing that you haven't.
Nice.
Nice.
Panalo, panalo.
Nice.
What treasure waits within your sky? The gift of free.
Happiness always.
Happiness always. Aww.
My heart. We traded heaven to have me again. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. Upward falling, spirit soaring. I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Finally, this time, meron na kayong chance ni Mami na start it right. Alam ko hindi naging madali yung una niyong marriage, pero this is finally a second start. Oh!
You can finally have your wedding! You've canceled it like 3 times.
Moved!
It's okay. Like, this
Third time
time,
is a charm.
this time, wala nang cancel.
Walang move.
God makes its way.
Today, I want my parents to know that I married a good man. Not the standards that the world dictated, but a husband that fulfilled, with flying colors, God's standards. Tall, dark, and honest.
Hindi na ako mangangako na ilalagay ko yung maruming damit sa hamper or tatagal ng maayos yung damit ko sa cabinet kasi na 18 years mo na siyang ginagawa. Pero ipapangako ko na habang buhay kita mamahalin, yayakapin, aasarin at araw-araw pipiliin. Alam ko madami pa tayong haharapin pero kahit ano pa yan, basta ikaw ang kasama ko, kakayanin na.
Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again, and my soul will dance on the wings of forever. Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out.
Our story is a story of God's redemption. A message to everyone, especially to our children, na kahit ilang beses ka pumalpak sa buhay, itatama ni God lahat. Kahit pa ulit-ulit mo si God saktan, He forgives and He redeems. And that His blessings is never based on how worthy we are, but on how faithful and loving He is. Bebeng, we have been together for half of our lives. I want you to know that if I were to restart everything, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko in a heartbeat.
We may have sacrificed a lot as a family, but you never fail to remind me that God will never leave us nor forsake us because He is the one who called us. Beng, mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita. Madalas lang ako may toyo, pero mahal na mahal kita. You are the Chichay to my Joaquin, the Mia to my Ellie, the Gab to my Dos, the Ali to my Eloy, the Athena to my Kenji, the George to my Primo. You're my Monica and I'm your Chandler. You're my Rachel and I'm your Ross. You are my lobster. You are my answered prayer.
Women knees hit the ground.